Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
Hello. Hi, Vicky. It is so nice to see your name. Appreciate all the comments that you still leave. And we're so glad to see you. You know what? I don't mind an intimate crowd. In fact, some people would claim that 4 or 5 people is quite a crowd in some circumstances. I hope that you guys are doing well. John is here. You were over on Mark's channel. Love it. We are watching today. Okay, we have 2 tasks today. 2 tasks. First is to decide on my outfit. Also, you'll notice I'm standing up, trying to get even steps in while I'm streaming. Also, this is a harken. I'm sorry, John, you're red. This is a harken back to when I used to stream standing up all the time in my kitchen. Then I got fat and sat down, so now I'm gonna stand again. Anyways, we're gonna look, check out this outfit, plus I have another outfit that I want your guys' opinion on. Somebody, was it Brooklyn, who mentioned speed dating the other day? Well, you got Paisley pondering about YouTube speed dating. So just know that you're in my head a little bit. Hi, Rose. Standing streams. Yeah, I guess guys are used to standing streams, right? That's like what you all do most of the time. I don't know. Fargan is here. Paisley's here. Oh, what are we drinking this morning? No coffee. Hi, Reseller Road Trip Adventures. Oh, what a good day. Vicky, you should have seen my face. I was like, oh my gosh. I'm standing and Vicky's here. Look at that. Also, I'm assuming that you're still smoke-free, Vicky. Congratulations, I'll give you. What am I drinking? Wouldn't you like to know? Wouldn't y'all like to know? Reminder, this is my weekend. No, I'm actually drinking a new energy drink, which Health Canada is telling me is bad. Health Canada supplemented. Anyways, this is an Alani energy drink. Hashtag not a sponsor yet, but they sponsor a lot of people. So Alani, we should talk about that. I will do things you wouldn't believe. I'm so proud of you, Vicky. I knew that. Oh my god, this is vegan. I'm not. It's gluten-free. I'm not. And it's an orange kiss. I got red kisses for you. That still counts, Vicky. I don't smoke cigarettes either, but I smoke weed, and believe me, that don't mean I smoke. Don't you worry. That is totally different. Kicking nicotine is totally different than smoking weed. So don't worry. It still counts 1,000%. You feel proud about that. Tell me I'm right in the chat. Everybody knows I'm right. Tell me I'm right. Anyways, it's Alani Orange Kiss, naturally flavored by who? By what? I doubt it. And it contains 10 calories. That's the part that makes me happy. Okay, so hi Adam. We are going to talk about my outfit a little bit later. We're going to determine whether or not, would this be a good speed dating outfit And could I wear it with cowboy ankle boots? These are the questions that I have. Oh my god, Adam, you're pink. Um. Oh, right, court. Yeah, we do have some court to watch. Sorry, I'm a little distracted today. I've had a bunch of other shit going on. And I'm so glad that you guys are here as my friends. I bet I could. Duh, Adam's gonna say I could. Let me show you them first, the boots. Why don't we get the court on, Pace, huh? Speaking of the devil, who am I speaking of, myself? I have to go buy new eyeliner today. I use a lot more eyeliner. I think that they've shrinkflated eyeliner. I do. I'm gonna be honest. I can't imagine that personally I have added like that much more eyeliner into my life that I'm going through eyeliners so much quicker. I think they are taking advantage of the fact that we can't see in the eyeliner tube and there's a shrinkflation happening. Reseller Road Trip Adventures, that's amazing! Can you bring me? I'm also not an actor, but I play one on TV. And I think you'll do great. You know, where I live, there's a lot of movies made and TV shows made. And I will tell you also that my girlfriend worked in movies for a long time, and she always says, "Oh, I think you would do so good working on set." I'm like, "Girl, get me a job then. Let's just not talk about how good I would do. Let's how good you would, you know, instead of just let's do it." Anyways, what do I need to hit? I need to hit this button. Travel by flu powder. Am I too tall here? No, I'm okay. Judge, how you doing today?
We're here in cause number DF
Straight into
25-13424, Camargo
That's
and Castorina.
amazing.
The parties in the Camargo matter. Please unmute yourselves. Turn.
Hold on. That's not just like, that's, no. You can't undersell yourself on that, reseller. That's really good. That means that they like you for you. Bravo. I've done thousands of lives. The only people that reach out to me are mad at me. They're always mad at me. I mean, that's how it is in my life mostly. I'm gonna be honest with you. But I am so happy for you and proud of you. Cellulite Yoga Pants is late. That's okay. We accept you late or not. You know I'm always late. It's at 2 today. Okay, what time zone? What time zone? Because I'm going to send you vibes. I have a crystal. Where's my fucking crystal? Where's my crystal? Okay, now we have a bigger problem because my crystal's missing and I need my crystal. Okay. Quit listening to depressing music. Did we, Adam? I don't know that I agreed to that. Anyways, let's let this play. I'm going to find my crystal. We'll find out what time that's at. We'll send good vibes. Woo!
Your cameras on and raise your right hands.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
My right hand?
Yes, sir. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm? Can you leave your hand up for me, please, sir?
Yes,
Do each
ma'am.
of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Mr. Camargo
Yes,
Fair
Your
enough,
Honor.
Adam.
and Miss Castorina.
Yes.
You may both lower your hands.
I unpinned it.
And Mr. Talley, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. This was an agreed CSRP that was submitted to the court for review, and I believe the court requested that it be set for a hearing due to the order containing a deviation from guideline child support. I'll just inform the court that the guideline amount would be $595. The agreed upon,
$595?
yes, Judge. The
Okay.
agreed upon amount was 400 for the deviation. And then I'd informed the court that we're asking that it be as amended, whether the child support had changed or not, just so that the start date can reflect December 1st. But if I could take testimony from the parties on the issue of the child support.
You may.
I'll call the father. Sir, would you please state your full name?
Alexis Camargo?
And you understand that the guideline calculation for your child support based on your income is $595, correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
And you are asking that the court deviate in order that that be $400. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the reason for that?
Well, first, I do get him 3 times a week. So I do have him some time for me. And also, I do have a lot of bills. I have truck payment, rent, everything. Um, well, we agreed to 400 because we assumed that was comfortable for both of us, for both parties, me and Ashley Casorena. But since we're here and I heard about the 595, so we're gonna try to get that figured out.
Is there any other reason that you're requesting the deviation?
Well, no, sir.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Okay, you may call your next witness.
I'll call the mother. Ma'am, would you please state your full name?
Ashley Castrana.
And you are also requesting that the child support deviate from the guideline amount. Is that correct?
Yes.
And is there any reason other than what Mr. Camargo stated that you're making that request?
No. It'd be the same reason.
I'll pass the witness, Judge. Just ask for a ruling on the issue of the child support.
Okay. Then I will order.
What do we think she's gonna? I already know what she's gonna do. I think you know what she's gonna do. If you watch any court like we do, does this dress look better with a necklace or without? I feel like it might look better without a necklace. We're gonna check. You guys, I don't know how to dress myself. I also don't know how to act on dates if I was to go on a date. I think speed dating might be my only chance. Like, here, let's speed through this so that you can't figure me out. Casey Carey, hi, hun. How are ya? Look at Mr. Talley. His face is like, Paisley, why are you talking about this during court? I'm just trying to get through to St. Patrick's Day, my favorite day of the year.
Guideline child support of $595 a month. Ma'am, if you don't need it, if you don't want it, you can give it back to him. I'm charged with I'm charged with doing what's in the best interest of your son. If you deviate from the guideline amount and you come back later, if he stops getting him for 3 days and you're mad about that, if you come back, I won't know what you agreed to. I won't know what changed. And so it's hard to prove a change of circumstance. So I like to order guideline child support so that you can always prove a change. And that way, if you want to give it back to him, if you want to put it in a savings account for your child, you can do that. But I am going to order the $595, okay?
Okay.
Do either one of you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now that I've made my
I think
ruling,
he's pissed.
I'm not the last word on this. If you don't agree with it, if you think it's not fair, or you just don't like it, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. This is out of the 256th District Court. That is Judge Sandra Street. She might have a different opinion from mine. Now that I've given you that information, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Talley, the new start date will be December 1st.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Okay, if there are no questions, thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you.
Next, Judge, is number 20 when you're ready.
Hold on one second, Mr. Talley.
I wish we could listen to music so bad. Yeah, I hate that they say it like that because it sort of opens the door for these poor women to get accosted by these guys. Ma'am! Oh, actually, I sort of have a matching outfit. Well, my other option, YouTube Daddy, don't worry about this. This is not, you're not to be concerned. Is this dress? uh,
You said it was number what, Mr. Talley?
I'm number 1.
20, Judge.
20. Okay.
Do you think the speed dating might work better in this dress?
We're hearing calls number DF07090001, Ellison and Jackson. With the parties in the Ellison matter, please unmute yourselves, turn your cameras on, and raise your right hands.
Just one party, Judge, Miss Ellison.
Miss Ellison, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You may lower your hand. And Mr. Talley, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. We are hearing a suit for modification of support order and to confirm support arrearage. I'd first ask that the court take judicial notice of the fact that the other party, Dante Jackson, was present in court on October 2nd, waived service, and entered his appearance at that time.
So noted.
Thank you, Judge. Because Mr. Jackson has not filed an answer and his answer time has run, the state would like to proceed with the default.
You may.
Before I call the mother, I'd just like to inform the court that the state is non-suiting its request for modification as the child in this matter has emancipated. And then I'd also like to offer into evidence what's been marked for identification purposes as State's Exhibit A. It's a copy of the financial activity report in this matter.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. I will now call the mother. Ma'am, would you please state your full name?
Formita Ellison.
And you and Mr. Jackson have one child, correct?
We have two, but yes, at the time.
Okay, they're both over the age of 18, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And the youngest child, DeMonte, that child was living with you from July of 23 until May of 2025 when he turned 18 or graduated, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Today, are you asking that the court give you a possession
charging
credit
the
towards your
Christian.
child support arrears for those months?
My boobs are
Yes.
very powerful.
And after that credit is applied, are you asking that the court enter a child support judgment against you in the amount of $570 as of November 4th?
Yes.
Okay. And you understand that we currently have funds on hold that will satisfy that judgment. And so you'll be ordered to pay off that judgment in the amount of $570 by December 31st, but understand that you don't actually have to make that payment, correct?
Yes.
All right. Has there been any family violence between you and Mr. Jackson in the last 2 years?
No.
Do you have any other child support cases where family violence is a concern?
No.
Ask the witness, Judge. I just also ask the court make a ruling on the issue of court costs.
Okay. Then I will grant the default order a judgment against Miss Ellison in the amount of $570 after possession credit. Order that judgment paid at $570 on or before the 31st day of December. I will waive court costs. Anything further, Mr. Talley?
No, Judge.
All right. Then thank you both. Thank you, ma'am, for appearing here today, and you're free to go.
All right. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Well, Cellular Yoga Pants, we already know you're a good person.
Judge, I need to make a couple of announcements and then I'll be ready. Or maybe I don't need to make an announcement. Looks like everybody moved where we needed them to move.
I've been moving all day, Brian.
Let me do a quick room assignment and
Hi, Beverly. Can we just get on to the next case? Because I am standing up. Oh, look at that. That seems like we want this one right here. Come on down. You're the next contestant on Who Fucked Who. On this edition, Terrence.
We're hearing calls number DF 22011514, Ferguson and Bogdan. With the parties in the Ferguson matter, please raise your right hands. Ma'am, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Mr. Ferguson
Yes, ma'am.
and Ms. Bogdan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now you may both lower your hands. And Mr. Burton, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. I call Mr. Ferguson. Sir, please state your name.
Terrence Ferguson.
Mr. Ferguson, you had not been personally served with the motion to confirm support arrearage before today. Is that correct?
Correct.
We've emailed that document to you and you have received it. Is that correct?
Correct.
Do you understand you have the right to be personally served with that document by a sheriff or a constable?
Oh, yes, sir.
And do you agree to accept the emailed document, waive personal service, and enter your appearance in the case today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Judge, I ask that the record and Odyssey reflect that he has waived personal service and entered his appearance today.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Judge. I pass the witness and call Ms. Bogdan. Ma'am, please state your name.
Aubrey Bogdan.
And Ms. Bogdan, same questions for you. You had not been personally served with the motion to confirm support arrearage before today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
We've emailed that document to you and you have received it. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you have the right to be personally served by a sheriff or a constable?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to waive your right and enter your appearance in this case today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Judge, I ask that the record and Odyssey reflect that she has also waived personal service and entered her appearance in this case.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Judge. We're requesting a reset for answer time to February the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
This case will be reset to February 9th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. You will both need to be present on that date and at that time. If you're not present, a default order can be entered against you. Do both of you understand?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Do either one of you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, then thank you for appearing here today and you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Judge, the next one will be number 22. We have both parties
22.
present
Didn't
for
she look
service
like
on the record.
that lady looked like a PTA mom compared to him? Well, to be fair, I think everybody's a PTA mom if they're a mom and their kid goes to public school.
I'm going to do
because
a
you're,
quick room
automatically
assignment
enrolled.
first.
Automatically enrolled? Oh
Sure.
my god. If it wouldn't be inappropriate, if I could show you some of my ex-boyfriends.
Okay, I did it without needing to
I
tell
think
anybody
it has to do with
anything.
having no visual imagery in my mind. That that's just, you know, the way I am.
Okay.
Well, sometimes you can move people and they'll just do it. You know, you don't have to tell them.
Okay,
Sometimes they don't.
That's that mental telepathy that you have,
I
correct?
love it when people just do what I say.
I just sent you the answer.
That's
such a
funny,
dork.
Brian. Oh my god, I love it.
We're hearing cause number DF 2506993 for Fadipe and Carter. With the parties in the Fadipe matter, please unmute yourselves, turn your cameras on, and raise your right hands.
Someone's at my door. I gotta go.
Sir, can you turn your camera on?
Yes, my camera is on.
It's on.
His
Yes,
camera's on. Does he like in the dark or something?
Sir, can you turn a light on? We can't see
Oh.
you.
1 second.
Ma'am, you can put your hand down till he comes back.
Thank
I-
you. I'm right here.
I think he thinks it's lighter.
Sir, we still can't see you.
There we go.
Okay, thank you. Can you raise your right hand, ma'am? Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Ms. Carter
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Fadipe,
Yes, ma'am.
you may lower your hand. And Mr. Burton, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. I call Mr. Fadipe. Sir, please state your name.
Oh, my name is Oladapo Fadipe.
And sir, you had not been personally served with the original petition in suit affecting parent-child relationship before today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
We've emailed that document to you and you have received it. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you have the right to be personally served with that document by a sheriff or a constable?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to waive your right to personal service and enter your appearance in this case today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Judge, I ask that the record and the Odyssey reflect that he has waived personal service and entered his appearance today.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Judge. I pass the witness and I call Ms. Carter. Ma'am, please state your name.
Barbara Carter.
And Ms. Carter, you had not been personally served with the original petition in suit affecting the parent-child relationship before today. Is that correct?
That is correct.
We've emailed that document to you and you have received it. Is that correct?
Yes.
Do you understand you have the right to be personally served with that document by a sheriff or a constable?
Yes.
Do you agree to waive your right to personal service and enter
Yes.
your appearance in this case today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Judge, I ask that the record and Odyssey reflect that she has waived personal service and entered her appearance today.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Judge. We're requesting a reset for answer time to February the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
This case will be reset to February 9th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. You will both need to be present on that date and at that time. If you're not present, a default order can be entered against you. Do both of you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Do either one of you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today and you're both free to go.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Judge, the next one is number 40. We have Mr. Guerrero present for service on the record.
Daniel Guerrero.
Hold on one second, sir. We're hearing cause number DF 2507271, Guerrero and Vargas. Mr. Guerrero, could you unmute yourself, turn your camera on, and raise your right hand? Sir, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may lower your hand. And Mr. Burton, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. I call Mr. Guerrero. Sir, please state your name.
Daniel Guerrero.
And Mr. Guerrero, you had not been personally served with the original petition in suit affecting the parent-child relationship before today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
We've emailed that document to you and you have received it. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you have the right to be personally served with that document by a sheriff or a constable?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to waive your right to personal service and to enter your appearance in this case today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Judge, I ask that the record and the Odyssey reflect that he has waived personal service and entered his appearance today.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Judge. We are requesting a reset for answer time to February the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
This case will be reset to February 9th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. Sir, you will need to be present on that date and at that time. If you're not present, a default order can be entered against you. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then thank you for appearing here today, sir, and you're free to go.
All right, thank you. You have a good day.
You too, sir.
Judge, Mr. Dale is ready to approach.
Good morning, Mr. Dale.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm great. What number are we doing?
First one, Judge, is number 32. Both parties are present.
When it rains, it
We're
pours.
hearing cause number DF 2510792, Garcia and Alberto. With the parties in the Garcia matter, please unmute yourselves, turn your cameras on, and raise your right hands. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Miss Alberto?
Yes.
Mr. Garcia?
Yes.
You may both lower your hands, and Mr. Dell, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call Mother first for a service on the record.
You may.
Miss Alberto, what is your full name?
Janie Alberto.
And Miss Alberto, have you received an email this morning from the Office of the Attorney General that includes a copy of the legal pleadings in this matter?
Yes.
And you understand that you have the right to be personally served with those documents by a process server or a constable at your residence?
Yes.
And are you in agreement today to waiving your right to personal service and citation and to accept the email as service today?
Yes.
Your Honor, I pass the witness and I ask that the record reflect that Miss Alberto has voluntarily waived her right to personal service.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Judge. I'd like to call Father for a service on the record.
You may.
Mr. Garcia, what is your full name?
Ladislao Garcia.
And Mr. Garcia, have you also received an email this morning from the Office of the Attorney General that includes a copy of the legal pleadings in this matter?
Yes.
And you understand that you have the right to be personally served with those documents by a process server or a constable at your residence?
Yes.
And are you agreeing today to accept the email as service and to waive your right to being personally served at your residence today?
Yes.
Your Honor, I pass the witness and I ask that the record reflect that Mr. Garcia has voluntarily waived his right to personal service.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Judge. Your Honor, Mr. Garcia is requesting a reset for his answer time. So we'd ask for a reset to February 9th, 2026. And I'd request, I guess, that the court make a Odyssey note so I can request the dismissal extension in the 250.
Dismissal?
Why do we have to?
Did he just say dismissal? Yeah, this is, sorry, I was dealing with a problem. There's a problem at the door. There's a big problem at the door. What eyeliner do I prefer? I prefer the one that lasts long and works, John. I don't know what it's called. Flusha, hello. This is, we've already talked about this. I'm drinking Alani. Also, somebody else just texted me and said, I opened up my YouTube this morning and you're the first thing I saw live. Somebody from work. Oh my god, what a fucking day. What a fucking day. YouTube daddy, you need to stop that. That's inappropriate. You can't be sending my face onto people's pages. Actually, please do that. I really need that exposure. It's okay. But needless to say, I have not been paying attention. I haven't been paying attention to the case. I'm not even paying attention to my own life appropriately. I'm going to be honest with you. This is not moonshine, but I really wish it was. Where's my crystal? Come here, crystal. This is all I've got going on. I like rubbing my eyes too much too, Courtney. I'll go get the eyeliner stick, John. I'll tell you what it is. Let's hit play. Baby. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Ooh, it is expensive. Maybe the reason it's running out so fast is because I buy the cheap makeup. My sister bought me an eyeliner and it lasted for a year and it was from Sephora. And then I kept buying cheap ones and they keep running out. So perhaps I need to invest. Oh, ew, I hate myself. Do I actually need to go to Sephora and buy something? Yuck. Yuck. Also, I am about tattoos and makeup. Like, I've seen people with makeup tattoos, but I'm just, I don't know. Not there yet. That might be, I don't know, a 40 thing.
I'll go all the way to the 9th.
I can ask Mr. Garcia if you'd like, Judge. He
only needs 20 days, right? Plus the Monday next.
Hold on, I want to talk about something. I prefer
Yes,
liquid
Judge.
liner too until I started reviewing photos from the last 4 years and questioning what the fuck, in what universe and what mirror I was using to apply my liquid liner. I don't know what's going on. We don't have Ulta. I don't have Ulta. I have MAC and I have Sephora and Sally Beauty, I think.
I'll ask Mr. Garcia.
And most realistically, Walmart. Because that's right downstairs.
Yeah.
We can go sometime in December or the 1st of January.
Ms. Garcia, would you be agreeable to come back in December or before January 16th?
December, what day December?
I'm busy in December. It's e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Liner.
December 11th, a Thursday?
That'll work.
Okay, great. December 11th, Judge.
Okay. In this case will be
e.l.f.
reset to December 11th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. You will both need to be present on that date, and at that time, if you're not present, a default order can be entered against you. Do both of you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Do either one of you have any questions?
No.
This time.
All right, then thank you for appearing here today. Did you have a question, ma'am?
No.
Okay, then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
All right. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Have we finally found something
Judge, I have
can't
one
read?
more.
This is so fucking small.
Okay.
41.
What's happening to me? Am I getting sick?
Hey,
Oh,
I
it's
don't
because of the
have a
bright light.
41, so can you
Because your
give me the
pupils are
cause number
fucked
and the
up.
name?
Yes. The cause number is DF17
Anthony, terrible.
11587.
And the parties' names?
It's Greer and Epperson, Judge.
Okay.
So Judge,
And
can I
go
make
ahead,
the
Brian.
court aware the court's Spanish interpreter just joined the docket? We do have a Spanish case that Mr. Talley's ready on.
I'm not ready.
Okay,
I'm
Mr.
beyond unready for that. That's not happening. Sorry. Look at us. Back to the Greers. Back to this.
Unmute. Please unmute and give us your
Unmute.
name. We can't help you if we don't know who you are. Alina, may I send an invite to Sunshine to join your breakout room and see if you can get any information that way?
Yes, that's
Okay, thank you. Judge Mr. Dale's ready to reapproach on his case.
Oh, I just sent an inappropriate text. Whoops. I couldn't help myself.
What number was it, Mr. Dale? 41,
It
right?
was 41, an add-on.
Okay. We're here in cause number DF17 11587, Epperson and Greer. With the parties in the Epperson matter, please raise your right hands. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Mr. Epperson?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Miss Greer?
Yes.
You may both lower your hands. And Mr. Dell, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. We are here today on the state's suit for modification of child support obligation. Both parties are present. Your Honor, both parties were present before the court, and we did a temporary order on August 20th, 2025, at which time all issues were addressed in the modification order. And the state and the father, the custodial parent, Mr. Epperson, are asking that the court make those terms final, Judge. And Ms. Greer is asking for a downward deviation as to child support today. Your Honor, I'd like to call Mr. Epperson first.
You may.
Thank you. Mr. Epperson, what is your full name?
Anthony Epperson.
And Mr. Epperson, you were present before the court on August 20th, 2025, at which time a temporary order was signed. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and there is one child before the court who lives with you, correct?
Yes.
And you're asking that the terms of the temporary order be made final today.
Yes.
And basically, and as such, you're asking that the court order that Ms. Greer continue to pay child support of $600. Excuse me. Let me
Yeah,
get that
excuse
number.
you. What did you say? 600 what? Also, if anybody has not noticed, I don't have any tattoos, which is
That's
more important to reason.
$697, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and you're still in agreement to continue to pay or to provide the private health and private dental coverage for the child, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and you believe that making the terms in the temporary order final are in the best interest of your child, correct?
Yes, I do.
And do you have any safety concerns, new safety concerns in the case since the terms of the temporary order?
No.
Your Honor, I'll pass the witness and call the mother.
You may.
Thank you. Ms. Greer, what is your full name?
Jennifer Greer.
Ms. Greer, you are in agreement to all of the terms of the temporary order being made final except for the $697 child support amount, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Are you currently employed?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Claire's.
Claire's?
One more
Didn't they
time,
go
please.
bankrupt?
Claire's.
What kind of company is that?
Oh my god.
That's retail.
Justin, how do you not know about Claire's? The absolute pioneers of mall life, okay? Do you know what you can get at Claire's? Butterfly clips, your ears pierced, a feather boa, 20 items for $20 back in the day, a slinky perhaps. These days, the only Claire's I know of is in part of Walmart where they have a rotating rack of earrings and bracelets and keychains that is labeled with the purple Claire's logo. Claire's was an integral part of my childhood. I am incredibly hard on things. Turns out if you want something with me to last, hi Brooklyn. Oh my gosh, you get to see both outfits. Turns out if you want something to last with me, well, it not only takes a lot of work, but you probably want something very strong. Because I am just rough on things. So like plastic hair clips always break very quickly for me. So many things. I can't tell you how many of those fucking butterfly clips like I wanted in my hair, but they just snapped to my tiny little fingers. That's right, I have tiny hands. It's not my fault. They're freakishly strong.
Okay, and what's your job title?
Store manager.
Do you get paid hourly or do you get paid a salary?
Hourly.
And what's your hourly rate?
24.
How many hours a week do you typically work?
40.
$24
Do you have
an hour
any
at
other
Claire's?
biological minor children other than
I have one. He's 18.
does that child live with you?
Yes.
And has your wage income changed since we were here for the temporary order?
No.
Okay. And you understand the state is asking that the $697 amount be made final today, correct?
Yes.
And you are asking for a different number?
This was we
Yes.
saw their
What
temporary
number
order,
are you-
and now we're watching their final, John. I remember now too, because we did talk about Claire's had just declared bankruptcy, and she was saying, well, it's not going to happen, but obviously they've restructured. Can somebody look that up? Maybe like that channel Bright Sun Films or whatever, and then I'll watch it later. The one who does Abandon. Bankrupt, that's the show.
Are you asking the court to set your child support at today?
The original amount I was paying was $375.
You're referring to the amount ordered in the 2019 order, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And why are you asking that the court order a downward deviation today?
Well, first because the new amount, it's preventing me from being able to pay all of my bills right now. I have rent to pay, I have 2 car notes I'm paying, and I just can't afford that amount. Secondly, I was asking for it to be like hold off because I did file for an administrative review, because originally I was the one who
I'm going to
filed.
object to relevance, Judge.
Okay.
Objection sustained. Go ahead, Ms. Greer. Is there any other reason that you're asking that that I deviate from guidelines?
I requested an administrative review because originally I filed for child support.
Objection, relevance.
Okay, ma'am, go ahead. I'm gonna let it come in. Go ahead. You filed for child support and what?
Yes, I filed for child support in 2019. Originally he was paying, and before everything was switched over, none of the arrears that he owed was ever addressed. So I did request a review for the arrears. Because from 2009 to 2019, I took care of my son by myself financially. Before everything was switched over, I received a default.
Ms. Greer, you do understand that what he owed you in arrears does not have any effect on what you should pay going forward, correct?
Okay, so I understand.
Okay.
But can I say that the amount that I'm paying, it's preventing me from being able to to pay my rent and my car note. I've gotten behind on my car note now. I can't afford to pay him that amount of money and still keep up with my bills, because my bills were set around what I was paying before it was increased.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
Does your son that live with you, is he still in high school or has he graduated?
He's graduated.
Okay, so he's technically not a minor anymore.
No, he's not a minor, but he's not in school or anything.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Dale?
He's not a minor, he's a moocher.
Nothing from the state, Judge.
Okay. Anything else either one of you want to tell me?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Then I will accept the agreed portions, make the terms of the temporary order final, and I will order that mom pay guideline child support of $697 a month. Do either one of you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, now that I've made my ruling, I'm not the last word on this. If you don't like it, if you think it's not fair, if you don't agree, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. Mr. Dell, what court is this out of?
The 303rd.
This is out of the 303rd District Court. That's Judge Laditra Atkins. She might have a different opinion from mine. Do either one of you have any questions now?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have.
Thank you, Mr. Dell.
Judge, I need to do one quick room assignment. And then Ms. Sweet's ready to approach. Darren Gardner. If you will please join room number 7 to speak with Justin Dale. And then Judge Ms. Sweet's ready to approach.
Good morning, Miss Sweet.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What number are we doing?
The first one I have is number 29 with just Mr. Francis present.
It is always a Stephanie. Yeah, I actually think that this case is not the one that's going to go forward because I have the. Oh, I forgot.
We're hearing cause number
Okay, Judge,
DF
you go on.
2313858, Francis and Harris. Mr. Francis, would you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. Ms. Sweet, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd first like to call the courtroom for the non-present parent who actually, I believe, may be here, judging by the first name. I apologize, I
Oh
just
my
realized
God,
that.
it finally
There's
happened.
a
Yes.
person who keeps joining who's named Sunshine, and that is the custodial person on this case as well. Mr. Burton, is that Sunshine? Were they moved?
I just sent them an invite to room 5 with Alina, and they
Is
finally
there a
joined the
cloud
breakout
in the
room.
front
So
of
Alina, if you'll
Sunshine?
pop in there and, okay, Alina's in there now.
Your Honor, if I could have a brief recess just to ensure that
Then we'll stand in recess. Mr. Francis, you can.
Probably should do this
06-272
one next.
Folsom
Should I
and
fuck up my
Fincher. With
hair,
the
though?
parties in the Folsom and Fincher matter, please unmute
Maybe.
yourselves, turn your cameras on, and raise your right hands. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Ms. Fincher
Yes, ma'am.
and Mr. Folsom,
Yes, ma'am.
you may both lower your hands, and Ms. Sweet, you may proceed.
thank you, Your Honor. We are here on the state's motion to confirm support of marriage and to modify the support order, if I may do service for both parents, and starting with Ms. Fincher.
You may.
Thank you. Ma'am, what is your full name?
Yes, ma'am. It's going to be Laura Francis Fincher.
Okay. And Ms. Fincher, if you could remain in one spot.
I'm trying to get her to my 2-year-old to stop screaming in my ear.
Okay.
Okay.
So Ms. Fincher, I'll give you a moment.
Okay, I'm good.
Have you received an email copy of the state's motion this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Before today, did someone hand you a copy of that document at your home? It broke up just a little bit, Ms. Fincher. It might be connection.
No, ma'am.
Do you understand your right to be personally served at your home with the state's motion?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to waive that right and accept the email copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand you have a right to request a reset?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to waive that right and proceed with an order today?
Yes, ma'am.
And I pass the witness and would request the record be updated to reflect that Ms. Fincher has waived her right to service and citation.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Your Honor. If I may call Mr. Folsom.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, what is your full name?
Christopher Lee Folsom.
Have you received an email copy of the state's motion?
Yes, ma'am.
Before today, did someone hand you a copy of that document at your home?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand your right to be personally served with that document at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to waive that right and accept the email copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand you have a right to request that this case be reset?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to waive that right and proceed with the terms of an order today?
Yes, ma'am.
And I pass the witness and will request the record be updated to reflect Mr. Folsom has waived his right to service and citation.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Your Honor. We do have an agreed order. If I may read the terms and then take testimony.
You may.
Thank you, Your Honor. There's one child before the court. The prior order only took a judgment but did not set support. There is an arrears balance of $706.12 as of October 31st, 2025. Parties have agreed that Mr. Folsom will pay that judgment at $50 a month beginning November 1st.
Can you give me that judgment amount again?
$706.12.
Okay.
And there's no medical or dental support judgment, Your Honor. We are modifying the order establishing the parent-child relationship signed October 2nd, 2019. Parents have agreed that Ms. Fincher will apply for or maintain government medical assistance for the child, and that Mr. Folsom will pay cash medical support of $250 a month beginning December 1st. And Your Honor, I apologize for the repayment of $50. That was the 1st of December, not the 1st of November, that is to begin.
Okay.
And child support based on guidelines with credit for one other child will be $775 per month beginning December 1st. And any additional healthcare expenses to be covered by the parents 50/50. Court costs as billed to Mr. Folsom. And there's no longer a request for non-disclosure, although the prior order did contain one. That is the extent of the agreed order. If I may recall, Ms. Fincher.
You may.
Yes.
Ms. Fincher, did you hear the terms I read to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement with those terms and believe in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you agree that the judge should sign this order even without your signature?
Yes, ma'am.
And you no longer have any safety concerns with Mr. Folsom having your address and phone number, is that correct?
No, ma'am.
And he currently has those?
Yes, ma'am.
And y'all are currently communicating and co-parenting?
Yes, ma'am. Very well, actually.
Perfect. Your Honor, I pass the witness and I'd like to recall Mr. Folsom.
You may.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, did you hear the terms I read to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement with those terms and believe in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree the judge should sign this order even without your signature?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I pass the witness. Nothing further from the state.
Then I will accept the agreement of the parties, make this agreement the order of the court. Do either of you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you.
He's got to get back to the road anyways. Gosh, it's been an hour already. Isn't that crazy? These are delicious. Delicious. You know what? Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm not used to there not being something there. We're going to leave it now because we're going to do a show later today too. That's right. Double trouble. If I'm still standing up, apparently. We'll see if I'm sitting down or standing up. Whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter why I do what I do. It just matters that I do what I do. What time? After case members only, I guess, over on Credence and Mikey, I would imagine. Probably sometime after that. Yeah. Oh, wait. Before we go, though, hold on. I just want to try something that I haven't tried. I just want to... Oh, there's how you do it. Let's see. Send 5. Send 5. I'm sending some gifts. Let's let the music play. I like to hear this every morning. Yay! Thank you, KCC. You're amazing. Love it. I'm so glad to send out the gifts. I always forget, so when I remember them. Is that Sweet Tea? Oh, Miss Sweet. I don't know. Anyways, I tried. We'll be back later, probably like 3:30 Pacific, which is 6:30 East. Oh my God, just saying East made me remember that I've ordered a special sourdough starter to arrive this week. You can hear the weed eater, can you? Fuck, Courtney. My theory had persisted that nobody could hear out the ambient sound. Oh, Reseller Road Trip Adventures, good luck on your thing. I gotta go fucking throttle this dude. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Oh my god, I'm not even on the right screen. Flu powder! Thank you so much for being here. Do me a favor, remember that. Now it's just sort of so funny. Do me a favor, remember that I love you, and I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. That's today, later today. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye! Also, this sucker is so good, and later on I'm going to be taste testing. You asked, oh my god. Wait. I talk about Bruno. I want to hear what you got before I go. Because look who appears when you say it. See, when you say Credence and Mikey, they show up. I talk about Bruno. You have power. What do they say? Actually, I'll ask my chat GPT. Her and I are besties. We'll check it out. Do me a favor. Remember, I love you. I'm proud of you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.
Ready to ride.